Cash App and Bitcoin, sending on a budget? Ever since that pizza guy got paid 10,000 Bitcoins back in 2010, the world has been buzzing about this digital gold. But with the value soaring and dipping faster than a roller coaster, many are curious about getting involved without breaking the bank. This is where Cash App steps in. It's a popular mobile payment platform that also lets you dabble in Bitcoin. But before you jump in, a crucial question: how much does Cash App charge to send that shiny digital coin? Well, hold on to your Satoshi, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, because the answer isn't a simple one. Cash App doesn't hit you with a flat fee. Instead, they use a system that can be a bit confusing at first. Fear not, Bitcoin warriors. We're here to break it all down for you. Buckle up and get ready to navigate the world of Cash App Bitcoin fees. Gifting versus buying, understanding the difference. First things first, Cash App makes a distinction between gifting Bitcoin and buying it to send. Gifting is essentially using USD to send a predetermined amount of Bitcoin to someone. Here's the good news: gifting Bitcoin on Cash App comes with zero fees. That's right, you can be sent a Satoshi without any service charges eating into your holiday cheer. But what if you don't have any Bitcoin and want to buy some to send? That's where things get interesting. The spread, the hidden fee you need to know about. Cash App might not charge a flat fee for buying Bitcoin to send, but there's a sneaky little thing called a spread. Imagine a store selling apples. The normal price might be $1 per apple, but the store decides to inflate the price they sell to you to $1.10. That extra 10 cents is the spread. Cash App does something similar with Bitcoin. They buy Bitcoin at the market rate, but then add a spread on top before selling it to you. This spread can vary depending on market conditions, but it usually falls somewhere between 0% and 1%. So, if you're buying $100 worth of Bitcoin to send, the spread could mean you're actually paying closer to $101. It might not seem like much, but it's important to factor in before you hit that send button. Cash App's got your back for price-expedited transactions. We all know the struggle of waiting. Cash App understands this impatience, which is why they offer expedited transactions for a fee. Here's the breakdown. Standard, this is the free option, and your Bitcoin transfer will take up to 24 hours. Perfect for the laid-back Bitcoin baller. Rush, need it there a bit faster? The Rush option gets your Bitcoin to its destination within 2 hours, but it comes with a fee of up to $2 tacked on top of the spread. Priority, if you're an extreme impatience case, Cash App has you covered. Priority gets your Bitcoin there in 10 minutes or less, but this VIP treatment comes with a hefty fee of up to $3 on top of the spread. So, how much does it really cost? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The cost depends on the amount of Bitcoin you're sending, the current market spread, and the delivery speed you choose. Here's a tip: before confirming your transaction, Cash App will show you a preview screen with the total cost, including the spread and any applicable fees. This way, you know exactly what you're getting into before you hit send. Cash App versus the competition. Are there better options? Cash App is a convenient way to dabble in Bitcoin, especially if you're already a user of their platform. But when it comes to fees, they might not be the most competitive option. Dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges often have lower spreads and transaction fees. However, these platforms can have a steeper learning curve, and some require additional verification steps. The takeaway: sending Bitcoin on a budget. Cash App can be a good option for casual Bitcoin senders who value convenience. But be mindful of the spread and factor in any potential fees for expedited transactions. For those looking to send larger amounts or become more serious Bitcoin investors, dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges might be a better fit with their lower fees. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your needs and priorities. Do your research, compare fees, and choose the option that best suits your Bitcoin sending style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.